Hello everyone, welcome to Website Builders. In today's video, we will learn how to install themes in WordPress website. After login to WordPress dashboard, we have to scroll on appearance section on the left side and there you will find the theme option. After this, you will be having a pre-installed theme. And to get our desired theme, we need to click on Add New button from where we can see all the free themes available on WordPress. We have also made a video on best 5 themes for WordPress website. Click on above I button to check out the video. So our next step is to install the theme, and here in this video we are installing Extra theme, which is fast, fully customizable and suitable for blogs, business and e-commerce website. So we have to search for Extra theme. And after this, we need to install the theme. After the installation process is complete, we can now activate the theme so it can appear on our website. Extra theme is now installed and activated on our dashboard. This is how it looks. And to make it more attractive, we can do further customization, and if you want to learn how to customize the theme, you can press on above I button. Thank you for watching the video. We make videos related to digital marketing. So if you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel.